It's Mark Drew at Mark Drew Speaks, back at you with the word of the week. I was out, had a stomach bug last week, but hey, we're back, man. We have to keep this thing going. We're digging in and trying to transform ourselves, with a little bit of knowledge. Let's see what we have here. The fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom, and the knowledge of the holy is understanding. Proverbs 9:10. Ooh-wee. The fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom. Let's go, man. This is some good stuff right here. When I think of fear of the Lord, I'm not thinking lightning bolts and damnation and plagues. I'm thinking respect. I'm thinking humility. It's like that fear of your parents, You're afraid of them because you respect them. You don't want to disappoint them. And you let them guide. You let them be the guide of your life. Well, that's what this verse is saying. A little bit of humility to know that I have a limited understanding. I have a respect for the Almighty to know that my understanding is limited. And that allows the Almighty to step in and do amazing things. Amazing things. How about you try to put the plan together and you try to fill in all the holes and you put every detail of your life together and that's the way it's going to go. It's not going to work that way. You have to leave some room for flexibility. You have to leave some room for life. You have to leave room for life to take its course. And for me, that's nature. That's God. That's the magic of life. And you can only let that happen when you show a little bit of humility, when you let go. And then it says, the knowledge of the holy is understanding. Well, the knowledge of the spirit is understanding. When I come to understand that there's a spirit inside of you, there's more than just this flesh and skin, man. There's more to us than that. I'm limited in my flesh, but there's more to me that can do more. And I'm not going to be able to do more until I accept that that's in me. To me, that's what this verse is saying. It's saying let go. It's stop trying to do it all yourself in the tangible world and allow things to happen for you in your life in the intangible world. That's how good God is. And that's how amazing this verse is. That's some cool stuff, man. So don't be afraid of God to come destroy your life and damn you, but be happy that God is coming to transform your life if you allow it. All right? That's my word for you guys. We're going to keep this thing going, man. Change starts in the heart. Love someone today as always. At Mark Drew Speaks. Tell a friend. Don't forget to subscribe. Hey, we're out of here.